I want to show you a very quick and easy way how to make a hand sanitizer at home. I'm not trying to be fancy or anything, it's just there aren't any hand sanitizers at the shops anymore, so some of us need to make our own. To start off, you want to use 100% alcohol, and you will do this on a 3-to-1 ratio, to the aloe vera. So the whole thing about a sanitizer, it needs to have at least 60% alcohol in it to still do the sanitizing, killing germs job. But because I don't have a lot of alcohol, I am going to use an 1/8 cup, a 30 milliliter. So I'll use 3 of these. 1, 2, oh, I made it! Okay, I had exactly only 3 cups. Now we're gonna use the aloe vera gel. This was literally the last bottle I could find in a health store. Any health store, pharmacy, see if you can get your hands on aloe vera, or you can make your own aloe vera. Look at the gel. Plonk! And now, for my favorite little part is we put in some essence. I've got the lavender essence, and I'm gonna put in 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. 11. You can also use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil personally is quite harsh on my skin because I have such sensitive skin, but that's just me. Most people can use tea tree oil. Also got cleaning properties in there. So now we mix the solution. You can whisk it so that it forms the nice gel consistency that we see in the store-bought ones. So we whisk, 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 whisk. And now we put it into our bottles. I've got little bottles that I collected in the house, just recycling glass bottles. I like keeping them in small ones so that I can keep it in the car or by my desk or in my handbag. Got my hand sanitizer. The lavender gives it a really nice smell. Here we have the very easy DIY aloe vera alcohol lavender hand sanitizer. That was quick and easy. It's quick and easy, that's not the problem. The problem is getting the ingredients. And just remember that hand sanitizers do not replace washing your hands with water and soap thoroughly. Otherwise, the hand sanitizers are great for in the car, in the handbag, all of that.